So this video is going to be about how to log into Canvas. Now notice that I'm flipping through my screen here because I'm trying to find my Canvas app. It's nowhere to be found. So what I did is I swiped down with one finger between the apps on my iPad, and I started typing in Canvas in my search bar. When I did that, nothing came up. So what that tells me is that my Canvas was deleted somehow, probably in an update. This happens occasionally, so have no fear. What you do is you're going to go into self-service and download this app. So what's really strange but kind of cool about Elkhart is that the App Store isn't available to students. However, there is something called a self-service, and it looks like this, where I'm circling. When you're in self-service, it has a list of apps that you're able to download. Canvas should be one of them. Now notice a lot of my apps say reinstall or install. What I'm going to do is reinstall my Canvas app, but instead of waiting for it to connect to my server and download, I'm just going to click on Safari. When I click on Safari, I'm already logged into Canvas, so I'm going to log out and show you how to log in. The first thing I want to make sure, because this is a lot of times even I get confused and I log into the wrong Canvas app. So you want to make sure that up here it says elkhart.instructor.com. This is the Canvas you'll log into. You'll notice where it says Elkhart Community Schools. If you are not logged in to Elkhart Community Schools, or you're trying to log into a Canvas site that's not connected with Elkhart Community Schools, it won't let you in. So before you even start typing in your information for your username and password, you want to make sure that this is correct. Now, your username and password varies. Your username is usually your first initial and last name. So, for example, mine would be H. Misiano. Now, your password. The password is going to be your ID number and or your initials and ID number. That's what you would type into your password. If you do not know your Canvas information, it is best that you contact the school. In order to contact the school, you'll need to call them or email them, and the secretary will be able to help you. I will write their phone number on the screen. Alright, so Westside's number is 574-295-4815. You call this number and you'll get the front desk, and hopefully they'll be able to help you with your Canvas information. I will say, if you do not know your Canvas information and you're calling, I would also get your PowerSchool information, because the two can be different and both are essential to your success. I hope you find this video helpful. If you need anything, please reach out.